Lorraine, you know, say if you ease off for some of your callers. One of your callers them irritate the Lord's spirit. As long as you keep it up, Lorraine, but Brown, there is no better for you out there.
Yeah, Mr. Tree, somebody bill start this talk show. I'm telling you, say it's Sunday.
Let me ask you something. Lorraine, what talk show? What talk show you come out here and bill, Lorraine? Hey, Lorraine? What talk show you come out here and bill?
When me did it on the phone, when God give me the work,
yeah, Lorraine, you know, so God never give you no work, Lorraine. Lorraine, God did not give you no work for come out here and embarrass yourself the way or you embarrass yourself, Lorraine. The Lord did not give you no right to come out here, so Lorraine. The Lord did not send you on no assignment to come out here. The Lord know about you before the people on social media know about you. Lorraine, what instruction did the Lord give you to come out here? Eh, Lorraine? Lorraine, the Lord not give you nothing, man. The Lord don't give you nothing for come out here and run your mouth. No time, not all.
She and me on the phone. And me and her one from, and she enjoyed the show. She glad, she love when I cuss people. And after me tell her, I said, me have back out of the cussing, you know, because me have a soul what God want.
You have a soul what God want, and you refuse it because you are obsessed. You refuse it for a lot of things. First of all, the things then what God bring you from Lorraine Brown, you ought to be a damn shame of yourself. And the way how dunce you is, right? All when you are going to hell, Michelle and the whole of them and the caller you want me come to you about. Eh? The whole of them go hell. The Lord put you upon assignment. The only assignment the Lord put you upon is to come tell us how wicked you is. And that's it. He's a piece of shit.
Climb to God. The cussing not going away. You understand?
The cussing ain't gonna go away, but it's a demon a walking at you where don't really give a damn, you know. It do not care. All when you yourself want quit certain things, I just saw them have you a dangle around the place. You not hear you for the last 4 years. You make a drastic change and you're ugly, Lorraine. Me not lie to you. You're ugly. I don't nothing lie me I tell you. The Lord never send you out here upon an assignment for being no intruder and no stalker. He did not. Oh.
And the cussing for me get played out. Come here tell you all kind of something, you tell me all kind of something.
You come out here, son, you claim how wicked one woman is. This, that, and the third. The first mistake, if I never seen no mistake before, man, I the mistake when you take Julia and I try to make the girl look like a fucking idiot, and that's it. You understand? Right then and there, your people, them shouldn't walk away from you. But the only reason why them wouldn't call up your 101 phone is because them is just as blood clot wicked like you.
And most of the time it name curse. Some of the time it
you look like curse. Me not lie, you look like curse. You not see them map you out on the drawing board already on social media. You just don't know how to quit because of your nasty friend them. Me just come to you about one. Me just come to you about one of your call of them. Because she constantly a go on and me know and me hear her voice. I'm always mark that voice there because she don't make no fucking sense and I'm here for her today.
Yeah, we say it, you know? So it get played out. Cussing for me get played out.
Me say, cussing for you get play out. Everything for you is play out. Don't just say cussing alone play out. everything need to be expired. You can't run the classroom. I see the pickaninny them I do. I take a straw and I just take off the little paper part and just make them in a spitball and spit off a little nasty self. People for treat you all with what you really is. Go and sit down. You know, hear you over there on YouTube, I be like a damn idiot.
Come and sit down. You saw me sit down easy. All one time now, me yes, Eureka, me know Nikki. I'm going panarad. You know that. But it a work.
I don't even know where you talk about them goddamn people there. Who you call for them name up. I just one caller. Once your phone got ring, then I'll start give you the fucking message. And give she the message too. Because she the pan a daring game. And she no know nothing. She one of them I go push you in a blood clot hellfire. You will know her voice.
No. Can I go in Nikki? Very much so. Very much.
Look how much things you do out here, so. Everybody knows that you pay money for do all type of all manner of evil out here, so. And then the one where just constantly keep on calling you like a somewhere she'll look for rest and relax. Bitch, I don't care how old you is. The one where constantly keep on calling. Find your fucking self something else better for do.
But for you, it come like a relationship. When me tell them, so me not like when me and my man them cuss left, you know. Me want just, me see you make a funny move.
Me say to Ratty, what a piece of disrespect. But God call you out here for do something. God call you out here. Well, where your water boots there? Cause we see your monkey suit. Cause you are planet of the ape monkey, Lorraine.
Like they go sleep with one woman and give me bone and me can't deal with it and it give me a headache. Maybe when you come, me gone. Cause me love run at times like them there, you know. Me gone. And if anything they together, me just say buy me out.
I don't know how the hell they listen to you on a goddamn phone, baby. Because you sound nasty, ugly. It's almost like you gotta put a scandal bag over your fucking phone to hear you, bitch. You don't sound good.
You understand? So if you take the horse, yeah.
We burn me blood clot. Look pan Lorraine. Who don't really make Lorraine feel like say she has somebody? Look pan Lorraine. Education. I saw me know say on a Oh my God. Them dirty people here. So me ask everybody on the media. Only them children that can nasty, insipid sound and fucker here. We play in front of people face and pay people for do all type of foolishness. All one time them blood clot story come out and act like you stumble upon deaf ears out here. A time for run with them idiot blood clot girl when not get no play outside. They ain't nothing but big woman girl. Hello. What do you know, man?
Say buy me out and you no give me. Stay with it.
Them girl gets no fuck. I'm talking about some. Look at me. Them girl gets no play, no time at all. No time. What is wrong with Ono? Hell with. Oh my God. Just the bitch face alone and our education. 5 fucking years.
You understand? I am a go-getter.
You is a go-getter. Not trying to be like somebody that the hell you can't. Every time you and that bitch that's about to come up on the phone, every time y'all sit up there and run y'all mouth, just imagine what the fuck they look like behind the phone. But look at you. They don't know shit. I'm here to break her ass down because she about got on my nerves.
Sure, Lord. Yes,
talking about some, I dare you, bitch. Go sit down, caller. Lorraine favorite caller. Call Michelle soon run you where to. Cause I look like say y'all look a spot.
I know you're going to shock. Yeah, somebody are going to shock Crumbly. Because you know all will live.
The whole out in a fucking arms house. Y'all going to hell with gasoline drawers on. I'm more about to. Listen, I can't wait for embarrass that fucking caller here, you know. I can't wait, you know. I got something to tell you, bitch. Instead of you sitting up here minding other people's business, telling what the Lord is going to do and what he ain't going to do. Go and sit the fuck down. You stupid ass caller that's on Lorraine's page.
And then me never know so Crumbly me talk to, you know, come here call Crumbly miss. See her there? Me no want to tell her like
y'all bitches is all over the place, just old and dusty. And when we see the beauty of the Lord, we got to really say thank you, Jesus. Because if I uno alone, no way.
Tomorrow, she go say, boy, Alive you not tell unless you go there for go say it out of malice.
Why didn't you change your name, bitch? You thought that you putting up Scammer Donna and versus Lorraine. Ain't no fucking body versus you, bitch. Find another fucking name if you trying to be yourself over there on YouTube, Planet of the Ape fucking monkey. Drunken monkey. Find another fucking name, cause you's the only scammer. And I put my neck on the chopping board that you ain't shit. With your fucking accomplices over there that's gonna get your ass in trouble one fucking day. And them bitches ain't gonna be there. Dear games is for dear dumbass hoes. Tell that lady over there, since she ain't got shit to do.
Feelings, but as God be my witness, me can't play one record, voice note when me say.
I don't see why y'all be sitting up here. You could tell these bitches ain't from the 90s to always talk about stuff. I'm gonna record. What the fuck is wrong with y'all in these recordings? I'm not sick of it. We could tell what time y'all came into the foreign countries. Old stupid ass bitches. Y'all couldn't have made it in the old 90s, darling. Y'all couldn't. Payphones wouldn't like y'all. Beepers wouldn't like y'all.
To Crombie, after she said.
Not even them big ass flip phones that used to be in them old Mercedes Benz. Good night. Y'all bitches ain't shit.
Some message. I'm in play. Me say about one on there. So you me I call Miss all time and I call you Donna. I'm in the right cup. This is me what you me not selling crumble. You forgot get in your money. Yeah, idiot. One time me a nice up crumble because you had some standing there when people come to me decent.
Child, I'm in a special room and y'all gonna have to let me loose, okay? And don't mind me in the cussing because I can always make it up. She is very evil. And what y'all need to do on social media, if these bitches, if these old bitches that's giving trouble, if their backgrounds ain't like what they talking about, I don't think that y'all should be around them. Y'all should be scanning these bitches from their background from when they came from Jamaica instead of doing it as if they're somebody when they're not nobody. Because it will piss real people off. Like, look at them, child. Look at them, Jesus. Girl, is y'all kidding me out here, ladies? No. Somebody got to tell them nasty ass hoes that's getting kicked out in the basement. Listen how this bitch sound. Don't she sound like one of them dopey that they tell you about in Jamaica as a child? How they come in the back of the house squeaking and bawling and shit.
And miss, why you call me no for tell me? Oh.
She sound like she got a yearly cold. That's not good. No wonder they say the back of your throat is burning.
And miss, appear that me I call her
no, go and clear your throat. You be smiling at the whole room while you be sleep with them fucking dentures. Good night. You have not upgraded, Lorraine. You're a piece of shit. I swear to God on my soul. You're an idiot. First of all, I don't respect none of them old ass bitches that's cheering you on. One, and we're gonna seal it like this. It's because your daughter do not function or think like you. And they steady up there. If them bitches is your friends, they would think about your fucking daughter. Who you hate, your daughter secretly watch, bitch. That's how come I know them old ass hoes don't give a damn about what people children say. It's all about them and they lonely, nasty, miserable asses over there. Tell one of them old ass bitches who just came over here and got no sense about what's going on to come say something to me. Yes, bitch.
It's a decent call her miss.
Listen how you laugh. You sound like a piece of shit. Stupid ass hoe.
You know, I speak, I may look for them. They say, I already call the school and Crombie talk to the school. Let me tell you something, you couldn't know, sir, Crombie.
You ain't nothing but a piece of shit, bitch.
The company where you keep, you just act like them, get to like them, you know. But when you come out of the company, there you put a...
You could never straighten up, darling. How I know you couldn't straighten up Lorraine Campbell Brown is because the shit that you was into, you came all the way to the United States with it, and you thought that shit was fucking sweet one way, following Tina Chin, and it wasn't, and you finding the fuck out that it's not. So get your bitches to shut the fuck up, because I got a message for all of y'all and everybody that's on here who is looking for their fucking channel to grow. We already know who is who out here. Yes, honey. Let me tell you something. Ooh, Miss Christian. Let me tell you something, baby. She have the nerve. Look at her background alone. Just focusing on her damn background. And you tell me, out of everybody that is soul seekers and, you know what I'm saying, like, truth seekers and all that. How the Lord gonna miss them for Planet of the Apes drunken monkey? Are you serious? As if the Lord just sleep when it comes down to her. Soon as she knock on the door after all her evil shit, that he just gonna say, yes, Lorraine. She better get her ugly ass up out of here, honey. Yes, she. Shit, I tell the bitch in her face.
Miss, make sure tell her. You understand? I said make sure it's not.
What the fuck is they gonna talk about? Let's talk, cause I'm waiting for this gold gospel grinding ass caller that she got over there with the famous voice.
I said make sure it's not Raya from Tina. That is the first thing I said to her. That means I'm not bitter. I said make sure you don't. Hold on the caller.
You like sulfur bitter, bitch. You worse than an aloe plant.
I said make sure you don't come here with Tina name for tell lie on her. Make sure what you tell me is truth, and I cannot go able address it because you cannot
don't
give
you
me
know?
the receipts.
Don't you know the bitch since 2015? Let's not forget, because one time when I climb on a nasty fucking disease out here, and to bring people and their business and all of these type of things down. All y'all nasty hoes know that y'all have dirty ass clothes on before y'all got on a plane to come to the United States of America, and y'all steady there in the spirit trying to take off y'all dirty ass clothes to put on one person clean clothes to try to fucking wear it. It's not gonna work because ain't nobody gonna tell y'all like that. And I don't care what it costs. I'm going to tell y'all like that. Lorraine Campbell Brown, you was one old pathetic, nasty ass bitch. And you have failed me because you don't look nothing like her. Not back in the days when you was in Jamaica. No, nothing. You just one of them old nasty ass bitches. Time catching up with you slowly.
You and they have a conversation, so when me do me live again, if you want come talk, you come talk. Same for me say to the miss, ask her, say her that's God be my witness. Then the time they me never know say I come the if me.
You so fucking pressed. You was on one conversation, right, Lorraine, which was this. So that caller really interrupts you and you let her go ahead. You dumb. Wait until you get to it. You stupid.
You think me that okay there miss. I when me call her up on the live and say, cool at all. Me that's a crumb the talk.
Who the fuck talk like this? You like 50 years old, bitch. You done wasted 5 of your 50 years of being on God's green earth to expose yourself as the living, walking prime example of a fucking jackass, Lorraine Campbell Brown. Then you got Beetlejuice over there looking stupid as a man. He can't tell you shit. He done felt all for your game. Do he not know and his family not know you are a wicked yet?
Good morning, how are you? You're on the live. Good morning.
Here she go. First of all, you ain't addressing shit, bitch. Not without your face, you old biggerman gal. You strong voice sounding like fucking Michelle's sister. You're not addressing anything. Here you go.
Certain things, you know. But me see certain things last night, and me say, you know what, me not gonna stay too long on it. Because this woman that on social media is just to continue to
be bold and call her name, old bitch.
Scam people.
God, you come change the show, but
Hold on, no, man. I can go cut.
That turned you on, didn't she, Lorraine? You fucking pervert. That turns you on for you to stare away from what you're talking about and just to think you could get your views up on YouTube, ain't it? Huh? Lorraine, seriously? Damn, Lorraine.
Daniel, this man, Donna, I dare you. Listen to me, Donna.
Bitch, she ain't listening to you. The world is listening to you. And the criminal authorities are listening to you. You're a jackass. Don't tell her what to do, when to do, how to do. You watch how the Lord move, you fucking doubter. Don't call her name, bitch. Show your face.
I dare you.
Are you a child or what? What the fuck is you daring? I dare you to show your face.
Anybody go court.
And she could take whoever the fuck she want. This is not no scare tactics for her. The damage is done, bitch. You ain't hear the little sneak peek of the song going around? The damage is done. So what the fuck you talking about?
You hear what me I
No, bitch. Speak in English, and I want you to go from day one because you're fucking conspiracy, and you, if it was prison term, you would go down too with your fucking mouth.
I am daring you.
You don't have to dare her, bitch. Wait on Jesus. They that wait shall see, and they that wait shall renew. Now, that's all the people who have sat there as a witness since day one. Where the fuck was you, ma'am? You was nowhere to be found. So why don't you go on with your old ass life and go mind your business, bitch? Stay from behind that phone if you can't show your face, little Tate.
Anybody go to court when I want courthouse.
And what the fuck you gonna do about it, bitch? You gonna sit there and you gonna think about it and pass the word around. That's the only thing you gonna do. Why you pressing the issue as if you somebody? Bitch, you sound like you and fucking Lorraine was in a rehearsal. She can't. You know how many people she proved? Good night, bitch. Nothing about your voice. You sound like fucking Michelle's sister. Be quiet, bitch.
I dare you.
And I dare you to back the fuck up off your phone and learn how to talk away from your phone. You sound like an old ass muffler, bitch.
That would rejoice, would be exceedingly glad. Cause you do too much with God's name. You too much.
I mean, what the fuck is you talking about? She doing too much with God's name, ma'am. What are you talking about? Maybe I should go the fuck up front in my game room and go talk to you, bitch. Because I don't want this to be very nice. I think I should shut this live off and call bitch ass Lorraine over here. With this fucking caller who don't make no sense. Now let's be for real, caller. What you mean she doing too much with God's name? What the fuck is Lorraine doing? Exactly what Lorraine is doing with his name. What I sound like. Because y'all some dizzy ass dumb hoes.
And because you're win every time you talk.
Lorraine ain't gonna like the W word, bitch. Be careful. Win. No matter what. My auntie got Jesus on her mind and she ain't giving up. Every time y'all say nah, the Lord say yeah. She step up in the building. Everybody ain't go up. Dr. Donna Marie go. You a demon. I will face you today with her name to let you know we ain't doing nothing. It's God and time, bitch. You ain't calling nothing. Stop being rude over there. Y'all on a bigger avenue now. I have the right to drag your nasty looking ass over here. Without a face and all. Of course. Tell the truth, bitch. Speak the truth and shame the devil. And shut Lorraine up so she could prove to you more that she's a walking monkey fucking demon, bitch. You hear her? She don't like the win word. Why don't you move, ma'am? Find you another source or another avenue to go on.
Hold on. Yeah, win.
Damn fucking right she winning. You know why the Lord picked her, ma'am? Because he saw all these other hoes, these careless, nasty, stagnant hoes that was not doing absolutely nothing. And he said, you know what, my daughter, knockity knock. They too busy, darling. They using my name in vain. But I understand. And I want you to keep on walking with me no matter what they say. And I'ma bless you. When they say you can't, you watch me tell them, yeah, you can. That's it. Now, bitches, back up. Fuck y'all mean. Ugly ass hoes. Y'all know why I talk like that? Because these raggedy bitches, soon as the Lord doing his thing, it's like they don't like it. And I don't like it. I don't like how they underestimate him but call his name and prostitute his stuff. His name. Listen to this bitch. Talking about something, I dare you. I dare you to show your fucking face. I dare you to tell Lorraine if she have a talk show, show all of y'all faces.
Of But which one are the God?
I mean, it ain't the God that's on Tina Chin or Lorraine's face, or the damage that they done to other people, the crimes that they have done. You ain't hear nothing yet, bitch? Or are you still stuck? You ain't hear about me, you ain't hear about her background. Talk to me, dumb bitch. Look at the path you going down on, but you calling there sounding like a old fucking muffler. Good night, bitch. We like cars that don't make no noise. Shh. You making too much goddamn noise, bitch. You don't tell her what to do. I'm sick of you hoes, old bitches.
So you think y'all win?
Say you think y'all win. What you think the Lord will do? Am I go so? What da 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 da? Should I slow down or should I stop? What da 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 da? Shut up. Stupid ass caller.
The wicked spread their wings like a green bay tree and then
First of all, bitch, you up here steady watching one woman. How about watching your salvation and your soul? When your dumb ass go to him, what you gonna say? I've been about to security, Lord, all my life, and I've been watching this one woman because of Lorraine, Campbell, Brown. Well, my child, did you know that I was using her in the process while you minding my business and telling me what to do? And Lorraine, Campbell, Brown been lying on my name, say I've been using her. Look at you frauding assholes in front of the Lord. Get y'all stupid asses up out of here, dumbass bitches. That ain't how the Lord work. Stop prostituting them, bitch. Sounding on the phone. Listen how you sound nasty.
money that we're gonna be like the brass. In your second, Donna, you think you're win. You're alone.
Girl, shut up. You sound like you got drunk or spirit. It sound like Lorraine done snatched you up in between her gums in the back of her hot throat. What rehearsal practice did y'all go? We already know how you is, thanks be to a whole lot of snitches that was in y'all so-called camp.
It's not a winner, but what Satan is doing to you.
You know too much about blood clot, Satan. You call it phone. Look.
Is to put you in a make-believe world. And
Well, you're not for about the make-believe world, you know, ma'am. Because Ping Ping is out here. You're no blood clot, no nothing, miss. And it's obvious you don't know the United States of America. She will be just fine, bitch. She will be just fine. What y'all do, y'all give her more room. You all are her fucking footstool. Y'all don't think that the Lord, he raped her. Y'all don't think so? Our ancestors, are they rolling in their motherfucking grave because of her? Or is it because of you bum bitches that migrate or still in Jamaica watching out talking shit? Make it make sense. Bitch, y'all acting like if y'all watch her all the days of your fucking life, just like that old TV show, y'all gonna go to heaven. But y'all been minding her business. That's giving her more room to fix up with the Lord. If she open a church today or tomorrow, y'all ain't getting in there. But I'm going, and I'm sitting there with a blue dress on, bitches. That's enough souls for the Lord right there, dingy asshole. All of y'all sit and be minding her fucking business every day. Come on, Lorraine, because I'm sick of this hoe. Get her off your goddamn phone. She daring while you running scared. Okay. Scared in your drawers, you know. Oh. You're fucking running scared. You brave, bitch. You brave, Michelle Bradshaw's sister. You brave, bitch. Call a name. That's fine. You're only doing that because of Lorraine, Stalker, Campbell, obsessive, Brown, can't let go. You don't see how the Lord do her, Carla? You don't see her face, Carla? Not when she rub out all the way, Carla. Hypocrite spirit. Fuck you want tell her. God, yeah, me a woman for God. Move from here. to blood clot if you and Michelle not in a Michelle, you have the caller here. She in a race with you, you know. She a try to be you because the way all you say you, she a perpetrate you straight up because I couldn't think it was you. So you have to be wise, Michelle. You have to be wise. They will try coming at your space. Bitch, fuck off. You sound stupid. Why don't you duck off and fuck off? Huh, Carla? Duck off and fuck off. In English, standard English time, you sound like the prime example of a jackass. You don't need to be on fucking social media, ma'am. You are negative. You are a bitch. And you don't see no bitch walking across the media. Good night. Listen to you, Carla. Listen to you. Sound like you needed to go to fuck the bed. Really? You don't have no arguments.
How many times have you come out and repeat yourself?
How many times you sound like you sucking a dick? How many times you sound like you gonna choke? How many times Lorraine says she gonna go and you keep on talking? You don't know how to quit, bitch.
How many times have you come out and said this and said that?
How many times it sound like you thirsty as fuck? Show your face.
And when they do you a full time you talk.
You just sound extra. You sound very extra, ma'am. You sound like the sound of you that you don't look good, and I bet money on it that you don't look good. You one of them old miserable ass Jamaican bitches that nobody likes. And you are the one that'll sit there while the crowd is going and you be trying to whisper in people's ears about people. And that's how you are. A old nasty ass bitch that find a place on social media right in between Lorraine trampoline fucking gums. Look at her. Bitch, the only thing is tired of you is the Lord, because you just tried to use him and you couldn't go no further. This is all you, ma'am. You can't tell nobody what the fuck to do. You just a come. And we don't want no botheration, no. Move your fuck. You have no arguments. No, bitch. The planka, the real planka people, them never gonna be tired to hear the general. Never gonna be tired to hear the boss lady. She is amazing. All you hoes take a picture out of, but take a picture. It'll last longer. Don't she look beautiful? Short hair, no hair. Now, Carla, let's see the next perpetrating motherfucking carbon reject copy that's gonna go for short hair. See if it ain't gonna be that ugly bitch that's trying out every looks. Oh man, this don't fit. Oh man, this don't fit. Curly wig. Let's not even talk about that shit. See, Carla, you's a fucking hypocrite. Ain't nobody, she could stay over there. Okay? Call it for what it is, bitch. You're looking for somebody to play with. Go and toy somewhere fucking else, bitch. Go to Toys R Us and go play. No, we ain't tired of repeating ourselves. You know, like when a bitch like don't have no further to go because the Lord say enough is enough. You know, that's why the Planet of the Apes monkey that you called in on her phone, that's why the bitch have to play back shit that don't make any sense that the Lord done fix. So you there it is again to see what kind of fucking evil. See, the devil don't care who he turn into. Right now he the Planet of the Apes fucking monkey. Because, baby, let me tell you something, Nicola. She obsessed. This caller right here is obsessed. She sound like she would. That's let me not. Well, you not see me yet. Me saying bad no blow. Oh, you ain't got to worry about it. Mind your business. I said, a holy Mount Zion, I'm coming out to you. Good night, miss. You have nothing to talk about. You ain't been seeing how the Lord been working. All of these nasty assholes, they Bruno and he Holyfield out here. Good night. Tyson out here. Good night. Mayweather out here. Good night. That's what he have been doing into y'all. Yes, he have. Y'all don't see? On a unch back in the spirit. No know how to make the Lord work and I'm good or I'm bad. Right? So of course he would pick a queen and say, I choose you. I see what they doing and I choose you. Y'all mad. Good night. Loss of sleep. Dumb hoes. And I fucking dare you. Buck her off. Fuck off. You old raggedy bitch. And you better know how many angels the Lord have on his team. You better know. And I ain't got to tell you. Since you know the Lord. And you prostitute him so damn much. Then you should know. I bet you won't water the one down that put air in our body.
You to come to America and bring anybody into court for speaking truth.
All of it is a lie, bitch. Go back. Since you're a caller, you're supposed to be your #1 fan.
Use everything that is bad right now.
Okay, how long did it take for us social media people to know that Lorraine was trying to be like that woman in Jamaica, down to making brownies, whatever that businesswoman wants to do, because of what was done out here, because it's already done. There's nothing that you can do about it. You